Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and click on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I publish my new content. Let's get started with today's video. In most of the languages, you might have seen while loops, do-while loops, and for loops. Even in for loops, you might have seen many variations. Python has been very straightforward about this, and mostly people only use for loops for their daily coding task. For loops work on iterable objects, which means objects which you can iterate over, like collection of students, range of numbers, even string, where you can iterate over each character in the string. So let's try creating simple loop. For character in English, print each character. And if we execute this, we will get back all the characters from the word English. We can also create loops to print numbers. Let's clear out the code and write for loop for num in range 5, print num. Execute this code and it will print 0 to 4. Whenever we create loops like this variable num can be anything. I just put num because it makes sense here, because it's iterating over the numbers. In earlier loop, I used character because it made sense there. It's just a placeholder and you can use any variable name. When Python interpreter goes through this iterable object, it will assign one value at a time to this variable, and inside the loop, we are simply printing it. Once it prints, it goes back and checks if it has any other value. If it finds, it repeats the process until it goes through all the elements in the collection. Now range is a special object. It's a memory efficient way to create iterable values. When we create range, it doesn't need to store values 0 to 4 in memory. It simply stores 5 and then it starts from 0 by default and increments the value by 1 in each iteration. If we want to iterate from 2 to 5, we could add starting number like this. Add 2 in range function, and now we have iteration from 2 to 5. It prints 2, 3, and 4. We can also add else statement in the for loops. This is different from most other programming languages where we do not have else statement for loops. We can add else print done, and it prints done at the end. We will see a practical use of this else block in the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with everyone, and subscribe to my channel to receive notifications when I publish new content. I'll see you in the next video.